Okay, so we're going to order the pack. This one's just come in there tonight, so this is for 2 jars of matte pomade, Brazilian orange. So that's the one I've got to do. So let's find the other one. There we are, 2 of them. I'll have to do a stock check in the morning. I'll put some more in there, so that's okay. Right, let's put that one away. So this one's going to go off to Derby. So let's get this one sorted out. I deal with a lot of Morgan's products. British made. They're a good company. I do like their products. When I had the shop, this is what I used to use an awful lot. And it used to sell an awful lot of it as well. There's one. I need to get another piece of this out. So we'll get this all parcelled up, and this will go out tomorrow morning. So I do quite a few of these sales of the Morgan's products online on eBay, and I do the duo packs, so it's better value for the customer. Obviously they're only paying for 1 postage, but they're getting 2 lots of products, and I'm happy with that. You should be able to find the link for the Morgan products that I sell. But I do also have an affiliate with Morgan's, that if you want to buy larger amounts, you can get 10% off if you're using the promotional code, which is PPGB10. So any orders, you get 10% off. I don't know if that's too small a box, to be honest with you. I have to get a bigger one, I think. Okay, I might double wrap it in there for them. Be more sensible. So this one went for, I think $16.95 for the 2 with free postage. So that's quite a good deal. Probably put too much in there. And there we are, that's that one done, and get this off tomorrow morning because it's 7:30, 8 o'clock tonight, and we'll keep having a look on eBay, see if I've got any more sold. But Morgan's is primarily what I sell, the pomades, other styling products as well. But if you wanted to check out on my bio, there is a link or where you can go to Morgan's website, and if you use my code, which I'll put on here, PPGB10, off any order, any size, you get 10% off. It's well worth it. But there we go. Thanks very much for watching. I just need to put the label on and then we're away.